Looking for a way to make money with this platform called Amazon.com and also this platform called Pinterest? Then you just need to stick on and watch this video right here to the end, as I'm going to be diving into a strategy that shows you how you could simply do just that and start making money online. And you may be wondering why focus on affiliate marketing and also why utilizing this platform called Pinterest. Now the answer to the first question is, which is why focus on affiliate marketing, is that if you're an entrepreneur and you're actually new into the business, getting a product to actually go into promoting maybe your own personal product is actually going to take some time, because you might actually need to go into setting up a website and doing all sorts of things that can actually take you up to 6 months right there before that can actually get done, and that might actually not go on to still getting sales, which is why you may actually want to just simply skip through all that hustle and just simply go into asking people for their product links and go into promoting that and get some cool commissions while you direct people to go on to purchasing their product. So that answered the first question right there, which is why affiliate marketing. And now you may be wondering why Pinterest right now. For Pinterest right here, Pinterest is a platform that gets lots and lots of engagement, and Pinterest do get lots of traffic. If you do want to take note of that using similar web statistics, you actually do see that Pinterest gets about 1.2 billion visits in just the last 28 days. That's a very huge amount of traffic which Pinterest gets. Scrolling down to the country and geography section, you can see the countries that do visit Pinterest the most, which are United States, Brazil, Russia, India, Colombia. These are all cool top tier countries that has cool buying or high buying powers right there, that actually go on to buying some cool products right there. And people that do come onto Pinterest right there are people that actually have the buyer's intent. They come onto Pinterest with the purpose of purchasing something right there. That's why Pinterest is a very cool platform that you can use for affiliate marketing. And in order for you to go into promoting stuff on Pinterest, you actually need to go on to asking yourself the question, which niche do you want to focus on? So you need to go to selecting a niche, which is what a lot of people quite go on to running from. Now you're selecting a niche, guys, you need to take into consideration one key factor right now, which is the particular type of demographic that do come onto Pinterest. And if you do go into searching for that right there on Google, which is the Pinterest demographic, you can see that Pinterest's largest audience is women. And guys, about 72% of people on Pinterest are actually women, which is why it is necessary for you to go into promoting stuff that are actually kind of women related, so that you can go on to making better sales or your affiliate marketing. And guys, Pinterest also has a very cool platform that can actually help you with that, because if you do come onto this platform, which is terrence.pinterest.com, you will actually be able to see what is trending on Pinterest in the last 30 days. And you can see right now, guys, that since Valentine is actually around the corner, a lot of stuff related to Valentine are actually trending right now. You can see Valentine nails, Valentine Day nails. You can see also the Valentine gift for boyfriends, and you can actually do see right now, guys, that the Valentine Day nails are actually trending a lot. This is actually still going high. If you do click on this, you can see that you'll be brought to this page right here, and you can see the trend is still actually going quite up right now, and there's no better time to actually go on to promoting a product in this particular niche than now. So promote a product in this niche and start making money right now. So this will actually help you right here. This platform helps you know what is actually trending, and you can actually go on to promoting stuff related to that. And you can see basically what are actually trending are actually related to women right now. There are actually things that women easily go on to purchasing right here. And you may be actually wondering, where can you get some cool products that are actually related to all this right now to go on to promoting right there? So a very cool platform you can utilize to get such kind of product right there, be it any product of your choice, name it, is this platform called Amazon.com. Amazon actually has a lot of cool products right here. Any product you're actually looking for online, just simply come onto Amazon. Amazon actually has that product. And the cool thing about this is that you can use Amazon to go on to doing the affiliate marketing, in the sense that you can just simply register for the Amazon Associate right now and become an Amazon Associate. That means you are actually an Amazon affiliate marketer, and all you need to do is to sign up on the platform, go on to recommending some cool products with the unique affiliate link which you'll be given, and start earning some cool cash right there. So you can actually do see right here that all you need to do is to recommend products and start earning commissions with Amazon right now. And the cool thing about this is that You don't necessarily need to purchase the exact same product you are promoting utilizing your unique affiliate link before you go on to making money on Amazon, and I'm going to explain that better for you. Now, supposing I do go on to Amazon and I actually do go on to searching for maybe something at random right here. Maybe I do go on to searching for this particular product right here, which is like a dumbbell right now. And you can actually do see the product right here. If I do go on to searching for this product and promoting this product right now on any platform of my choice, be it Pinterest right there or any other platform, and I use my unique affiliate link, once people click on that affiliate link, it's going to direct them right onto this page. And now, supposing they don't actually do like this particular product and they don't like the color also, maybe they're just going to scroll down to the bottom section. They're going to see other colors and other designs right there and go on to maybe clicking on this. If they do go on to clicking on this and also purchase this one right here instead of the initial one I was actually promoting, I'm also still going to get paid my commission because they actually use my unique affiliate link to come onto Amazon to purchase a product. So right now, guys, I'm going to get paid with that right there. So supposing right say that maybe they don't actually going to purchasing a dumbbell, maybe they actually do realize that they are in need of something like fan, and they just simply going to searching for fan right now, and they do see some cool product right here. Maybe they're going to selecting this particular product right now, and they're going to purchasing this right here. I'm still going to get paid commission right there for them still using my unique affiliate link to head on to Amazon, regardless of whether it's the exact product I was promoting or not. I'm going to get paid right there. So far, they actually do purchase that product within 24 hours of using my unique affiliate link. And why is that so? Is because Amazon actually has a stuff which is called an affiliate 24 hours cookies right here. They do actually have an affiliate cookie that lasts for 24 hours, which means that I will actually get commission on every product a customer adds to their cart and buys within 24 hours of clicking my affiliate link. So that's actually quite cool right now. So you can just simply go on to promoting some cool product right there on Amazon and start making money, direct a lot of people to Amazon and start making money once people do go on to purchasing some stuff using your unique affiliate link. And guys, you can actually go on to promoting some cool stuff right there just by utilizing some cool images right there. So on Pinterest right there, you can actually do see that all the stuff that are actually on Pinterest are actually images right now. So people utilize images to grab attention of other individuals to go on to clicking and promoting some cool products right there on Pinterest. And in order for you to do so, you can actually go on to creating some cool images with this platform right here called Canva. All you need to do is to come onto Canva, come onto this search section, and you could actually go on to searching for the Pinterest pin. If you do search for Pinterest pin right now, you'll be able to see some cool Pinterest pin templates that you could easily go on to selecting from once this page actually do load up successfully. So right now, guys, you can see that these are all cool templates right here. You could just simply go on to utilizing right now. These are all cool Pinterest template you could just simply select from and just simply go on to utilizing. Supposing, guys, you don't actually do see the section where you could just simply start from blank. Maybe if you want to start from a blank spot, if you don't see a section which you could start from blank, just select any template of your choice, click on customize the template, and you could just simply go on to deleting everything right there in that section. You could also come right here to this particular section, and once you've deleted everything, you could go into searching for cool templates you want to utilize, or you could go into the element section and search for some cool stuff right there you want to just simply utilize for that. You could go into searching for graphics, photos, and a lot more cool stuff that you can just simply add to your template and play around this section to create some cool and amazing images that you want to just simply utilize to promote any product which you want to just simply promote. And in promoting such product right there, it is quite important that you just simply go into creating a simple landing page for any product you are promoting. You can create a landing page with GetResponse, Systeme.io, or any landing page builder site of your choice. And a very cool platform which you could also use right here is called Linktree. Because with Linktree, guys, you can actually go to promoting up to 50 products right there with just one single link right now. So you might want to just simply go on to leveraging the platform called Linktree to go on to creating a simple landing pages and promoting multiple CPA or multiple affiliate marketing products utilizing Linktree right now, and go on to making money right there on Pinterest. And don't forget, guys, to actually take out much of your time, as this is not a get rich fast scheme right now. You need to actually be dedicated with this strategy and make sure you actually do go on to being consistent with promoting some cool products to actually go on to making a lot of money with this strategy. And if the video did add some value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the channel or to the video also on the channel, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos that could also help you go on to making some extra income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.